We've had this Jeep sitting in one of our storage buildings for a little while, waiting on our showroom to be built. And we kind of left it tucked away. But we wanted to bring you a video just so people can understand what this Jeep is all about. This Jeep's got some pretty unusual features, but the weirdest and coolest thing about it is how we acquired it, I guess, and the background. So we actually bought this Jeep locally, and it came in a package from an older customer that had never bought anything from us, but his buddies and friends all were regular customers of ours. This Jeep has documented 8,412 miles. And documentation level is crazy. Matter of fact, we have a whole folder here of the original documents, information, everything from the 70s, including paperwork from its purchase, towels that came with it, owner's manuals, even the California original paperwork where it was titled and registered. Actually Arizona, sorry, even better. The winch, everything you could imagine paperwork wise, and we go into more detail about this on our website. But this truck was acquired with a very rare Ford truck, which we put on a lot and sold within days. It was like a 1 of 10 Ford carry-all truck. But this particular customer searched high and low for this truck, brought it in. It was everything he wanted. He didn't really care about the mileage. He just really wanted an error-correct Jeep CJ. And he knew more about the options. We're not super guru Jeep people, but he knew all about the different things. But he wanted a rust-free Jeep, and as you can see, that's what he got. An Arizona Jeep at that, so even better. A lot of the options we were told, get the hood open here, were factory upgraded, and from the best we can tell, even the paint is original. But this Jeep has a locking, removable player, 8-track player, shifters in the floor, of course, manual transmission. Somebody has added speakers, added this top, and added some speakers back here. Even comes with a whole collection of 8-tracks and an alligator skin case. But it had some really unusual features, like this Warren clutch engagement, which is like a PTO style setup. 8-track removable, so you walk away, you take that with you, throw it in your briefcase or whatever you carried back then. Little compass deal up here, old school CB. It's got some kind of lock on the hood. I forgot about that, so I should have locked that ahead of time, but it's got a key lock that locks the hood. But it is a V8 under the hood, and you'll see pictures of that on our website as well. The features of this Jeep are just cool. No matter how you cut it, it's very unique. It was a really well-optioned Jeep. It spent its time on some type of a ranch in Arizona, is the way the story goes, that he bought it from. He paid astronomically high money for this Jeep, plus transporting it, plus getting it here and taking off the original tires and putting Mickey Thompson, the closest thing to error correct that he could find, rebuilding the carburetor because it had been sitting. We've been keeping non-ethanol fuel in it so that we don't have a problem with the carburetor. This Jeep starts, runs, and drives. It could use to be driven more often than we have been driving it, but it is a decent running driving Jeep. And it's not rusty, and it is pretty damn original. Gas cans mounted on the back. This is the type tire that it had on it all the way around, but they were dry rotted to pieces. But again, you'll find a lot more information on our website. We just wanted to bring you a quick video of the Jeep itself, just so you can see in person what it really looks like. Hopefully this will help a ton in seeing the real amenities to it. And it is a good running, driving Jeep for somebody. This could be a showroom classic, I guess. It truly could be a Barrett Jackson vehicle, but I don't like selling vehicles that direction. I like selling them to end users ourselves, so they know what they're getting. But if you have any questions about this Jeep or any of our vehicles, right now a couple classics and hot rods and things in stock other than the Jeep, but feel free to reach out to us, shoot us an email, give us a call at any time, 804-271-0030, or you can pop on the website, davis4x4.com. Boats, trucks, RVs, you name it, we've got it in stock. Even with everything going on in the world for the COVID-19, we are still actively in business and busy as always. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions, throw them in the comment section or send us an email. Thank you very much.